Hi, I'm Tony. Bruno the Barber is my alias. Welcome to sunny California. I like this collab, and I wanted to. I'm new to Band Hub as of December. Best site on in the world, Pablo. I really appreciate it. I appreciate the Bud Birmingham doing the moderating of this collab. So I have a very simple setup. I wanted to first just show you what I use. I don't have a lot of equipment. So first off, I have my main keyboard. It's a Yamaha PSR S950, and it's all connected in through with MIDI and everything else going through a audio box, USB from a company called Presonus. And this box controls my recording levels for each left and right. This is my fader to allow me to hear the mix back with my keyboard and the main live track I'm playing against. This is my headphone jack, and this is my output for my studio monitor speakers. So coming from afar here, the really only thing I'm using are a real simple laptop, the USB interface, and my PSR. I have some monitor speakers here. I just got these because I wanted to start getting more involved with mixing down after the song is done. So this is my PC. I'll try to get in here tight and show you a couple of things. First off, I'm using a webcam, a simple Logitech HD webcam, a C270, which is here. And I'm using after the mix is done, I'm using a PreSonus Studio One. It came with the USB interface, the red box here. So that was a freebie, and it has a lot of post effects. Okay, one tip that I do, some folks do lock up before they do their tracks. When you hit the open recording button to launch the recording app, the system immediately puts the files in a cache folder, in an App Data Local Band Hub cache folder. So if you open up a new recording to do your tracks, you'll be able to get to the tracks here. And these are the ones you can pull in after the song is done into your workstation software. Okay, so as far as setting up and getting going on a recording, since this keyboard is very versatile, I have a lot of different instruments in it. So I can combine a multitude of sounds, organ to a string, a combination of both. I can split the keyboard. I can put a left hand bass down. I can put strings on the left hand and do a lot of things on the right hand. And I can save those into a registered memory bank here. So during a song, I have pre-programmed these. So just in case I need to be playing strings in one part of the song and I want the keyboard to change, I'll go ahead and hit this button over here. That'll get me over to the organ sound, and then maybe back to a piano, and then maybe back to whatever I want to do. And I can save all of these settings under a preset, name the song, and so that way I'm ready to go, and I can practice over and over and over again. So basically my setup is real simple. There's no need for me to have any effects because the effects are built in. So for example, if I'm looking at my setup here, and I need an echo, it's a little blurry here, but if I need an echo, I can pick all kinds of effect types in here. This thing is loaded with hundreds and hundreds of effects, wow-wows and distortions and tempo, cross delays, flangers, phasers, pitch controls, anything you name it. So if I'm setting up a song, I'm able to pick a sound. For example, this is a light chorus guitar. I can hear a demo on it. See if it kind of fits the song or not. I have another sound here. I might want to do some kind of a guitar deal on it, so I can sample that one as well and see what it sounds like. And I will go ahead and mix them over here and decide if I want both of them together or one or the other. So once I have the sound, and I'll listen to the song over and over again on BandHub, and I'll go ahead and try to find the most closest sound I can get. If not, I'll build with a combination of dual sounds or whatever else you want to do with it. So let me get this back where it belongs. So really a simple setup, not much to it. One keyboard, one interface, and then just some studio monitor speakers. And what can I say? I mean, I used to have a room full of keyboards, and I'm missing my little analog, keyboard that I might use, like a Moog, or I used to have a Sequential Circuits Pro 1 way back in the day, so it was a lot of fun doing those kind of songs. So whenever I do record my track, I try to keep the level in the middle, and I listen to the mix back, and I suggest where I think it might land and give the suggestion to the moderator, 20% volume or 30% volume, but I don't want to record too low and I don't want to record too loud. Other than that, that's really about it. It's a real simple setup, one keyboard, one interface, software, off you go to the races. So I really appreciate everybody here and all the information that you provide and all the ideas that I've learned from all of the fellow musicians, and keep rocking. Thank you.